Hello, and thank you for using the SRAR. This video will cover how to connect a university to your SRAR account. If you have additional questions after watching this video, please email support@scarletcs.com or visit scarletcs.zendesk.com to view FAQ, other videos, or to submit a question to customer support. You can also contact us through the Help tab in the SRAR after you've created your account. To connect a university to your SRAR account, start by accessing your account's homepage. Scroll down to the My Colleges and Universities section. Where it says Select School, use the drop-down menu to select the first university you want to connect your SRAR account to. Then hit Connect. If you're applying to other universities using the SRAR, you can continue connecting schools by repeating this process. Each university has slightly different requirements for their applicants, so connecting allows you to access each university's individual SRAR by clicking the Show Details option under the university's logo, and then clicking the text to log into that university's SRAR. This will then take you to the selected university's branded SRAR. That's it! Thanks for watching and good luck with your applications.